how to make the language simple. For example, you are learning English. You take the difficult words and you pronounce difficultly. For example, you take the words and you take the words and you take the sentences and contract them. I will suggest you don't have to contract the sentences and words. First, I am suggesting you have to take the simple sentences. For example, I am taking here, it's important. You don't have to say it's important. This is a construction of sentence. For example, I am taking another example. I want to go there. This is also example. I don't want to go there. This is also constructions and difficult sentence. What you have to do for the beginners and if you are the beginner, what you have to do? You have to take the sentences simply and you don't have to contract the words. For example, the first example I taken, it's important. No, you don't have to say it's important. You have to say it is important. This is a beginner's. If you are the beginner, you have to take the sentences as like this. It's important. Now you have to say it is important. The next sentence, I don't want to go there. You don't have to take like this sentences, I don't want to go there. What you have to say? You have to make it simple. If you are the beginner, I do not want to go there. You can also say, I don't want to go there. This is the basic and the simple technique you can make your language simply. This is the next level. You adopt first one and you feel difficult. What you have to do in the next? You have to make your language simple and you have to try to speak. First you have to try to speak, then you have to move forward. When you take the some sentences or words, you have to try to speak in English. For example, go there. You are learning. I am understanding. These are the sentences you have learned from the teachers and the books. What you have to do the next? You have to do speaking. You have to try to speak these sentences, these words. For example, take it, go there, come here, I don't want to go there, I want to go there, it's important, it's not important, I appreciate you, I not appreciate you. Most of the words and most of sentences you are learning, but you don't try to speak what you have to say the next, and what you are doing and what you have to do. You don't understand and you don't have to care why are you learning English. If you want to speak English, if you want to go abroad, you are taking interview and most of the things you have to do in your future. So you are students, you are teachers, and what you are, it doesn't matter. It's my point of view, as I am learning English and I am a poor student in English, and I'm trying to teach you what you have to do, what your plan will be for your learning English. These are the words you have to take simply, and just you have to speak and in the front with the confidence level. When you will do so, I think so you will be a best and you will be a good student, will be a speaker in your life and your jobs.